Hi everybody, happy holidays. I am here to share with you City Beauty's Correct and Protect collection. So there's already one product that I use. I am completely dedicated to it, and that's the Illuminating Dark Spot Corrector. It comes in a pump, it dispenses really easily. So if you have any sun damage, your skin tone's uneven, you have, brown spots that you want to correct, this is your product. I'm not kidding. It is so amazing. The one thing I need to tell people that if you're using these kind of products, you have to be consistent. If you want to see results, you have to be consistent day and night. I can't stress that enough. I was an esthetician for 20 years, so I'm talking to you from experience. I'm not trying to tell you what to do. I'm trying to help you what to do. Okay, so the second product that I'm really excited about, it's called Blue Defense HydroGel. I've never used a gel moisturizer before, and I love it. So look at the inside. It's so beautiful, and it's gonna be beautiful on the inside and just fabulous on your skin on the outside. It hydrates, it plumps, it soaks in, it moisturizes so quickly. So you don't have to keep waiting. If you layer your products, you don't have to wait around as long for this one. And I just love it. Okay, so the other one that I'm so excited about is called Skin Perfecting Daily Veil. And I'm looking at them because I'm still familiarizing myself with them. But this is the product. I used it one time, and I was leaving to go see family, and I thought I really wanted to take it because my results and the feel of it and everything was just amazing, but I didn't want to get it confiscated, so I left it at home and I started trying it again, and I even used it today and have it on. So this is actually an SPF, and it went on, a little bit matte. And then when I put my makeup on, it was like, what? This is like amazing, because I usually have a real shiny look, and this just matted it down. This too also comes in a pump. It's light, it's not heavy, there's no chemical smell. It's just a really, really nice collection. And when I get results and I get really excited about products, I like to share it with the world. So, if you have family that you don't know what to buy for, my sisters are impossible to buy for. So I'm buying them some City Beauty products for this Christmas season. They love it, they get really excited, and it makes me excited that they love to take care of their skin as much as I do. So I hope you guys try City Beauty's Correct and Protect collection. And I hope your results are amazing as mine. Happy holidays.